Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the app library. Swipe left from your home screens until you reach it. Once there, search or scan the category folders to locate the app you want to remove. Long press the app icon to reveal a contextual menu. This is the first actionable step because it gives you control options. Make sure to pause if the menu takes a beat to appear, since timing can differ between devices. This setup gets you immediately into the removal flow. Once the menu appears, tap Remove App and you'll see two choices, Remove or Delete. Choose carefully. Remove from home screen hides it from your home but keeps it in the app library, useful for decluttering without losing data. Selecting Delete App will uninstall the app and remove its data, which frees space. If you're unsure, remove first to test. This mid-step is where you decide permanence versus organization, so take a breath and pick the right option for your needs. Finalize by confirming the deletion when the prompt appears. Tap Confirm and wait for the app to disappear. If the app won't delete, check screen time or restriction settings because parental controls can block removals. Also, make sure the app isn't in the middle of an update. Pause or finish updates first. If the icon still persists, reboot the device and recheck the app library. This troubleshooting tip resolves most holdups and completes the removal process effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.